Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about offset function. If you are an analyst, this function will really make a lot of automation and dashboarding easy for you on Excel. This function takes 5 arguments, out of which 2 are optional. First argument is the reference, which basically tells Excel the starting point. Second argument is row. This tells Excel the number of rows it needs to move down or up from the starting point. Third argument is column. This tells Excel the number of columns it needs to move left or right from the point of reference or the starting point. Fourth argument is height, and this is an optional argument. This tells Excel as to how many rows to consider. And last argument is width, and this is also optional. This tells Excel as to how many columns to consider. For this video, we will not touch the optional arguments here. Now let's understand all this with an example. I have a data set here. What I need to do is, I want to reference the temperature of store number 2. I will do this by using offset function. So I will type in offset. Now the first thing is the starting point. I want Excel to consider cell E2, which is the name of the column, as the starting point. Second argument is the number of rows to move. To get to the temperature of store 2, Excel will need to move 2 rows downwards from the starting point. Now we will have to tell the number of columns to be moved. After reaching second row, Excel needs to move 2 columns to the right to reach the desired destination. Therefore, a column argument will also be 2. I press enter and I get the value 38.51, which is the temperature for store 2. You must be thinking, why do we need to use it? What if I need to get the temperature based upon the input given in the green highlighted cell? To make it dynamic, we will use offset function here. So if we look back at our function, we keep the starting point as it is. The number of rows Excel needs to move will depend upon the input. The column argument will remain the same, as temperature is the second column from the starting point. In the input cell, when I type 4, I see I get the temperature of store 4, which is 46.63. When I input 1, I get the temperature of store 1. This is how you can make your reports more interactive by using offset function. Please like and subscribe to my video if you learned something new today. Thank you for watching and happy learning.